Well, U.S. President Donald Trump dialed Prime Minister Narendra Modi for a telephonic conversation on Wednesday. The call came just hours before Trump was scheduled to meet Pakistani Army Chief General Asim Munir at the White House. Now, during the 35-minute phone call, Prime Minister Modi informed the U.S. President that India's counter-terrorism operation, that is Operation Sindoor, is ongoing, while underlining that India would not accept any mediation on Pakistan. The U.S. President expressed his support for India's fight against terrorism. President Trump also accepted an invitation to attend the next Quad meeting in India. Prime Minister Modi was expected to meet President Trump at the G7 summit in Canada, but the U.S. president left the summit early. Subsequently, at President Trump's request, the two leaders spoke over the phone. Now, Prime Minister Modi briefed President Trump on Operation Sindoor and detailed the events of May 6th and 7th, when India launched precision strikes targeting terrorist hideouts in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Prime Minister Modi told Trump that India's actions were measured, precise, and non-escalatory. Now, briefing reporters on the conversation, Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri said Prime Minister Modi told President Trump that India would respond to Pakistan's bullets with shells.
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने कहा कि 6-7 मई की रात को भारत ने पाकिस्तान और पाकिस्तान ऑक्युपाइड कश्मीर में सिर्फ आतंकी ठिकानों को ही निशाना बनाया था। भारत के एक्शन बहुत ही मेजर्ड, प्रिसाइस और नॉन एस्केलेटरी थे। साथ ही भारत ने यह भी स्पष्ट कर दिया था कि पाकिस्तान की गोली का जवाब भारत गोले से देगा।
The Prime Minister also recalled his phone conversation with Vice President Vance on May 9th, during which Vance had warned of a possible major attack by Pakistan. The Indian Prime Minister categorically stated to President Trump that there was no discussion or involvement of the United States in any mediation efforts, and that India has never accepted, nor will it ever accept, third-party mediation in matters concerning Pakistan.
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप को स्पष्ट रूप से कहा कि इस पूरे घटनाक्रम के दौरान कभी भी किसी भी स्तर पर भारत अमेरिका ट्रेड डील या अमेरिका द्वारा भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच मध्यस्थता जैसे विषयों पर बात नहीं हुई थी। सैन्य कार्रवाई रोकने की बात सीधे भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच दोनों सेनाओं की एग्जिस्टिंग चैनल्स के माध्यम से हुई थी और पाकिस्तान के ही आग्रह पर हुई थी।
Now, this was the first call between the two leaders since April 22nd, when President Trump had called Prime Minister Modi to express condolences and voice support against terrorism after the Pahalgam terrorist attack. Now, Donald Trump had earlier claimed that the U.S. helped mediate a ceasefire between India and Pakistan, and that he had personally spoken to the leaders of both nations to resolve their issues if they wanted to do trade with the U.S. Now, the two leaders also touched on the Israel-Iran conflict and the war in Ukraine, and stressed the need for direct dialogue to restore peace. And furthermore, they discussed the strategic importance of the Quad alliance in the Indo-Pacific region.
इंडो-पैसिफिक क्षेत्र के संबंध में दोनों नेताओं ने अपने परिप्रेक्ष्य साझा किए और इस क्षेत्र में क्वाड की अहम भूमिका के प्रति समर्थन जताया। क्वाड की अगली बैठक के लिए प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप को भारत यात्रा का निमंत्रण दिया। राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप ने निमंत्रण स्वीकार करते हुए कहा कि वे भारत आने के लिए उत्सुक हैं।